Hello, Ben. I am so happy to see you here today. Thank you for coming shopping with me.
Hello, Anna. I am glad to be here with you. This mall is very big and very bright inside.
Yes, this mall has everything we need. First, I need to find some new clothes for my job.
New clothes sound like a good starting plan. We should go to the big department store first.
That is a great idea. I need a new shirt for my work next week. I want something blue or green.
Okay, we will look for a nice shirt for your job. We should start looking on the main floor.
I hope the store has a sale today. I want to save some money on my clothes.
Sales are always good news. We must look for the big signs that say discount.
I also want to buy a present for my sister. Her birthday is coming next month.
A present is important to buy today. What kind of things does your sister like very much?
She loves reading books and wearing small jewelry. Maybe we can visit the jewelry store later.
We can definitely go to the jewelry store. We will look there after the clothing section.
Do you need to buy anything today, Ben? Maybe you also need new shoes for yourself.
No, thank you. I do not need anything for myself today. I am just here to help you shop.
That is very kind of you, Ben. I am happy to have your help and your opinion.
It is my pleasure to help a friend. Let's start our shopping now and walk quickly.
Where is the nearest escalator to take us up? I think the clothes are on the top level.
The escalator is over there, near the big information desk. We should walk quickly now to save time.
I see it now. The ride up will be fast. I hope the department store is not too full of people.
I hope it is not busy either. I do not like standing in long lines to pay for things.
We can shop quickly and efficiently now. Then we can go to the food court for a big lunch.
Lunch at the food court sounds amazing. I am already hungry for a hot meal.
Me too. But first, let's focus on your shirt and the jacket. Let's go up now.
Okay, let's go. I will lead the way to the top floor. Follow me, Anna.
Okay, I am ready for a great shopping trip. Let the fun start now.
We are here now in the biggest clothing store. Look at all the different colors of shirts here.
Wow, this store is huge. I see many racks of clothes. We must start looking for the blue shirts first.
The blue shirts are over here, near the big window display. These are very nice colors.
This blue shirt looks very good. The material feels soft and light. I think this will be comfortable to wear.
That shirt looks like the right size for you. You can try it on in the fitting room later.
Wait, look at this other shirt that is green. The green color is very bright and happy. I like this shade a lot.
The green shirt is also very nice. Try holding both shirts to your body. Which color do you prefer?
The blue shirt looks more professional for my job. The green shirt is better for the weekend. I think I will take both.
Taking both is a good solution. You can have a choice for work and for fun. That is a great idea.
Now, let's look at the jackets for cold weather. I need something very warm and thick.
The jackets are in the back section of the store. We need to walk past the jeans table to get there.
These jackets look very heavy. I do not want a jacket that is too big. I need to move easily in it.
Look at this gray jacket on the hanger. It looks thick, but not too big. It might be perfect for your needs.
Let me feel the material of this gray jacket. Yes, it feels warm enough for the winter. It is exactly what I need.
You should definitely try on the gray jacket. The fitting rooms are located near the large mirror wall.
Okay, I will take the 2 shirts and the gray jacket. I hope the fitting room line is not long.
The line looks very short right now. We are lucky because many people are still eating lunch.
I will go into the fitting room now. Can you wait for me here near the big seating area?
Of course, I will wait right here for you. Take your time to try everything on carefully.
Thank you, Ben. I will come out and show you the clothes. I need your honest opinion.
I will give you my true opinion on the clothes. I want you to look and feel your best.
I will be back in a moment with the new shirt and jacket. I hope everything fits well.
I will save these seats for us. I hope the blue shirt looks good on you.
Wish me luck with the jacket. I hope the sleeves are long enough for my arms. I am out now, Ben. Look at the blue shirt first. What do you think of this color on me?
The blue shirt looks very good, Emma. The color is bright and perfect for your work. The fit is excellent.
I also think the size is exactly right. It is not too tight and not too loose. I like the soft collar.
This shirt is definitely a good purchase. Now, let's see the green shirt. Show me the fun one.
Here is the green shirt now. It feels very comfortable and light. Is this color too bright for the weekend?
The green color is very cheerful. It is perfect for a weekend outside. You look very happy in that shirt.
Okay, I will keep both shirts then. They are both useful for different activities. Now for the most important item, the jacket.
Yes, show me the heavy gray jacket. I hope it will keep you warm when the weather changes.
Here is the jacket. I think the length is very good. It covers my back completely.
The jacket looks warm, but it seems a little big on your shoulders. Can you move your arms easily?
I can move my arms, but it feels slightly bulky. Maybe I should try the next size down.
Trying a smaller size is a smart idea. You want the jacket to look good and feel comfortable.
I will go back inside the fitting room quickly. I will ask the store assistant for the smaller size.
I will wait right here for you. Be careful with the small buttons on the new jacket.
Anna returns. I have the smaller jacket now. I think this one feels much better. Look at the fit now.
Yes, the smaller jacket fits you perfectly now. It looks much smarter and more professional.
I agree with your opinion. Thank you for your honest advice about the size. I will buy this gray jacket.
My pleasure, Anna. That jacket will be great for the upcoming cold months. It is a good investment.
So, that is the end of the clothing section. I have my 2 shirts and my new jacket.
Great job. Now we can move on to the next item on your shopping list. Where do you want to go next?
I think I want to look for new shoes now. I need a pair of comfortable walking shoes.
The big shoe store is located on the ground floor. We can take the escalator down.
Okay, let's go find the comfortable walking shoes. I am ready to go down now.
Here is the big shoe store, Anna. The selection of shoes here is very large. Where should we start looking?
I need comfortable shoes for walking long distances. I should look in the sports section first.
The walking shoes are usually found over there, by the bright wall display. I see many colors available.
These dark blue shoes look very good. They seem to have very soft soles. I will try on this pair.
That is a smart choice for walking. Make sure you walk around a little in the store. The shoes must feel absolutely perfect.
This shoe feels comfortable on my foot. The size seems correct.
Do the shoes feel too tight anywhere? They must not hurt your toes when you walk a lot.
No, they feel soft and secure. They give my feet good support. I will try standing up now.
Walk towards the front door and back again. See how they feel when you move quickly.
They feel great when I walk. It is like walking on a soft carpet. I like these very much.
I think you should buy these dark blue shoes. They are simple and they look very strong.
I agree. I do not need to look at any other shoes. This pair is perfect for my needs.
Now, do you want to look for the gift for your sister? We can go to the jewelry store next.
Yes, let's find a nice present for her. The jewelry store is near the main mall entrance.
We can pay for the shoes now and then leave this store. The cashier is waiting right there.
Excuse me, I will take these shoes, please. They are very comfortable.
I will wait for you outside the store, Anna. Hurry up so we can get to the jewelry shop.
I will be fast. I hope the price of the shoes is not too high. I want to save some money today.
I am sure the price is fair for such good quality shoes. They will last for a long time.
Okay, I paid for the shoes. Now I have my new comfortable pair.
Great! Let's go find a beautiful piece of jewelry for your sister now. That is a fun task.
I hope we can find a small silver necklace. She loves wearing things that shine brightly.
I know a very good jewelry store that sells silver. We should walk in that direction now.
My feet are tired from all the walking and trying on clothes. I need to sit down soon.
We will sit down for lunch after we buy the gift. We can eat at the food court soon.
Ah, this break is exactly what I needed. My feet were starting to feel very tired from all the walking.
Me too. I am glad we found a clean table here. Now we can finally sit and eat our lunch.
The gift for my sister is beautiful. I am happy we found the silver necklace quickly.
The necklace is truly wonderful. She will love that small, shiny gift very much.
Look at all the people here in the food court. This place is very crowded and lively.
Yes, many people come here to eat lunch. The atmosphere is loud, but very energetic.
My burger looks enormous. I am so hungry. I think I can eat the whole thing quickly.
My salad is very fresh and colorful. I needed something light after all the sweet desserts we saw earlier.
Enjoy your fresh salad, Ben. I am going to enjoy this big, juicy burger right now.
You too. Enjoy your burger. The smell of the cooked meat is very tempting.
This food tastes delicious. The break is perfect after buying the shoes and clothes.
Shopping makes a person very hungry. We have spent many hours walking today.
Thank you again for helping me choose my jacket. The smaller size was definitely the correct choice.
My pleasure, Anna. That jacket will keep you warm for the entire winter. It was a good buy.
And I am excited to try my new walking shoes tomorrow morning. They will be very comfortable.
That is great. You should always wear comfortable shoes for walking long distances.
I see a store across the way that sells tea. I want to buy a big hot cup of tea after I finish eating.
That sounds nice. A hot drink is a good way to finish a meal. I will walk with you to the tea shop.
After the tea, I think we will be ready to leave the mall. We have bought almost everything.
I think so too. We have successfully completed your entire shopping list. We did a great job.
We should check the time now. I need to get home before the sun goes down completely.
We still have plenty of time left. We can relax here and finish our drinks slowly.
Okay, I will relax and enjoy my final bites of the burger. This was a very successful trip.
It was a very good trip. I'm glad I could spend the afternoon shopping with you.
Me too. Let's drink our tea and then prepare for the final goodbye. I feel much better after that big lunch and the hot tea. We finished everything on my shopping list today.
That is great. You got the 2 shirts, the warm jacket, and the new walking shoes. The shopping trip was a big success.
Yes, and we bought the beautiful silver necklace for my sister. I am very happy with all my purchases.
I am glad I could help you choose the best items. It was fun to give my opinion on the clothes.
You have very good taste, Ben. Thank you for being such a helpful shopping friend.
You are very welcome, Anna. I enjoyed the time we spent together in the mall.
Now, I think it is time for us to leave. The day is starting to get darker outside the doors.
I agree. I need to take the bus home soon. My bus stop is just outside the main exit.
I will walk to the nearby train station. It is a short walk from the front of the mall.
Be careful when you walk with all your new bags. Do not drop anything on the way to the train.
I will be careful. I have the bags secure in my hands. They are not too heavy to carry.
The mall was very busy today. I am glad we managed to avoid the very longest lines.
We were very efficient shoppers. We started early and we moved very quickly between the stores.
I think we earned a good rest after all this hard work. You deserve to relax this evening.
Thank you. I will unpack all my new clothes when I get home. That is always a fun task.
I will put my feet up and watch a good movie tonight. I am looking forward to sitting down.
That sounds like a wonderful plan. I hope you enjoy your relaxing evening very much.
You too, Anna. I hope your train ride home is fast and very comfortable.
I hope so too. I will call you tomorrow to confirm that my sister loved her gift.
Please do call me tomorrow. I want to hear about her reaction to the necklace.
Okay, I will send you a short text message then. Thank you again for everything, Ben.
Goodbye, Anna. Have a safe trip home with all your new items.
Goodbye, Ben. See you soon. Take care.